So quick video, we are replacing the taillight on the passenger side of the Fusion. Let me show you why we are, but the light I got was, I think 60 bucks shipped. It was off eBay. It's a no-name brand one. So let me show you why, and we'll get into taking it apart. So you can see why, all the condensation, and there's a bunch of water down there. It still actually works, but I don't like the way it looks. So let me unbox the new one and I'll show you the how to get this one off. So like I said, this is a cheap no-name brand one off of eBay, and I have it upside down because my address is on the top half of it. The only tools you're going to need for this is a 10mm. You can either use I'm going to try to use an impact. If the impact doesn't work, sorry, the camera's moving, I am going to get a ratcheting wrench. So if nothing else, they at least wrapped it up really good for 60 bucks. I will be keeping the original one that came with the card just in case something happens to this one until I need to get through to get a replacement. But I mean, 60 bucks ain't bad for these. Came factory with LEDs. And just be careful if you're cutting with the razor blade. There's a wiring harness that's inside of here. This thing is taped up. Looks really good. Can't even tell the difference between this and the factory one. I'm not going to go ahead and pull the plastic off yet, but everything looks, it at least appears to look really good. The corner isn't chipped. Both studs are there. The body stud is there. There's a weird, like orange, or I guess it's like a tan. I don't know what that is. Who cares, as long as everything works, but yeah, looks good. So let me set you up in the trunk and we'll show you how to get this apart. I am going to, don't know what any of that is. But anyway, I'm going to set you up in the trunk. I'm going to take that and a ratcheting wrench with me, and we're going to show you how to take this apart. It should be super easy. This is a very quick video. Also, that car in the back, life kind of happened. Honestly, the Outback XT was supposed to be my daily, and I might do a video of parting that one out. The only thing that we've pulled off of this so far was the back window, and I pulled the passenger occupancy sensor out of the seat, but I might try to do a part out video of that. I'd like to recoup my money off of it. I've already cut the converters off of it, but it still does run and drive, and there's plenty of good parts. But anyway, focus video. So let me grab a ratcheting wrench for a 10, and we're gonna go to the trunk. Okay, so I've seen a couple conflicting videos that says this piece needs to come off, but I've also read a couple areas that we don't have to take all that off, so we're going to try not to, because the less you have to take off, the better. Start with this. This just spins off by your hand, and then this should pop around the trunk arm. Like that, and this needs to go off of the stud. And then, let me move this out of the way without bending the carpet. Those two studs right there, that just pops out of the body. I'm not taking all that stuff apart. And we're going the lazy way. And then from this point, stand out here so it doesn't scratch the car, but just push out on the studs. It should be should be it. I don't know if this one's ever been out. Yeah, it just looks like it pops into the body. All right, hold on one second. Let me make sure I'm not breaking this. Okay, so I wanted to make sure I wasn't breaking it. It looks like it's just kind of stuck in there. I might try to get a plastic tool piece underneath there with a rag so we don't damage anything, but that's pretty much it. The 2 bolts hold it in, and there's one, like, I guess, compression clip. So let me try to get over there and remove it. Shows you real time. Nope. So, as you can tell, this is off. I don't know if there's standing water in there. Oh yeah, there is. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one in. Like I said, just be careful so you don't scratch any of your paint. Looks like I actually nicked a small spot, but it looks like the taillight's going to hide it, so we're good. Before we put this on, let me show you real quick. That spot is where the back tab there goes into. These, you don't want to tighten them down too tight. It's enough to hold it. All right. All right, everything's working. Just put the trunk liner back in, and we're done for today. So this is a pretty quick video. I do need to eventually get back to some RAM content, but for now, daily status. So thanks again for watching. like and share and subscribe. It really helps out with the channel. And comment below.